Hey guys, part 2 of my moon attempt. Right now I'm just trying to survive. Zombies is pretty fun. I love zombies. I missed that shot completely.
I need ammo and fast! Out of ammo. Maybe if I just walk around like a zombie, they will ignore me.
Oh, dang. Oh, where are you?
Did not I say hands off, zombie?
Zombies creep me out. Just their faces, dude.
No, I hate the clicky-click sound.
Is there a gun up here anywhere? Because I need one.
I might have a few
dang it.
cents in my pocket.
I need 1,000 points.
No money.
There's Mule Kick over there, where Mule Kick started out is Moon. Oh god.
That really hurts, zombie. I think I may bruise. Oh, disgusting. Why don't you smell feather, Hellpig? Why?
Yeah, speed crawlers are weird.
Shit, no bullets. Time to drink. Maybe that will fix it.
Come on, 1,000. I need 1,000. I'm gonna die. And I'm dead. And now I just get 1,000. So it's great.
Did I pass out? Must not have been drunk enough.
I'm not gonna bother getting quick revive since this is only an attempt. And I'm
Why
just
can't I
testing,
have more money?
opening as many doors as possible, showing you a quick little tour. That's where you go back to Area 51, I'm pretty sure. I'm pretty sure.
Well, looks like I am about to die. Click, click.
Jump. I'm dead. Oh, juke. Can I make this? Jump. Oh, this way. No, I can't go that way.
I hate the clicky click sound.
Oh, that was nice. You wish you could do that. You wish you could do that.
Did not I say hands off, zombie? Well, looks like I am about
What? That's bull.
click, click.
Well, there's my attempt. So, hope you like it. Goodbye.